Here's a Heritage 42-inch ceiling fan. I don't know what model it is. I picked this up off of Marketplace with a couple of other fans by about a month or two ago. Figured I'd throw it up, test it out, see how it runs, and just typical Heritage, I guess. But, for the build quality, ain't terrible, but it is what it is. Here is low. It's actually in pretty nice shape. I know a lot of these are in pretty bad shape when they're found. This one did have a down rod, but I converted it to just a hugger mount. Did go to medium. It's got a little bit of a hum. A little bit of bearing chatter too, but I've heard worse. Go to high. It's actually got some speed to it, surprisingly. A lot of these aren't very fast. Granted, this is an old one too, so now we'll go off. Anyway, that's it, and until next time.